Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to collect emails, sync subscribers and run email campaigns from your Lovable websites, connecting it to Mailchimp is the right move in 2026. Most integration issues come from using the wrong form method, missing audience setup, unpublished changes or blocked embeds. So we will avoid all of that. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to Mailchimp in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common Mailchimp integration problems like form submits but no emails appear in Mailchimp, embed not showing, subscribers not added to the audience, works in editor but not live, double opt-in confusion. Okay, so first thing, create a select a Mailchimp audience. Okay, so before connecting anything, Mailchimp needs an audience. So log into Mailchimp. Okay, so go to audience dashboard, then create a new audience or select an existing one. So you have to pay. Okay, so create a new audience, as I said, or select an existing one. Every sign up form must be connected to one audience. Okay, so Lovable supports two reliable ways to connect Mailchimp. Okay, method, which is the best method. This is the most stable method, as I said. In Mailchimp, go to audience, sign up forms, choose embedded form, customize fields, copy the HTML embed code. In Lovable, click add element, choose embed or HTML, then paste the Mailchimp embed code and then save. This form is already connected to your Mailchimp audience. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.